Greetings everyone, hope you're keeping well out there. As some of you may or may not know, my name is Alex and today we are here to do a quick unboxing and demonstration for this hopefully quite cool laser projection keyboard. Now I'll be honest, I've actually seen these around for quite a while and they seem to be coming in quite a huge variation in price, anything from as little as $20 to $30 up to even around $200 to $250. However, this one that I've got here, I've gone for around or just below the mediocre mark and I paid around 50 or 60 pounds for this one. So it's not the best out there and it's obviously not the worst out there, but hopefully still with this model that I've got here, the results should be pretty outstanding if it works well. And that is exactly what we're going to do right now. We're going to unbox this and test it out. So starting off with the actual packaging itself, as you can see, it is totally made of cardboard and it actually reminds me of when you get a new iPhone from Apple. You know, it's got the similar type of build with the pull-off top. On the front it looks like you've got projection keyboard and then obviously this has been covered by a barcode sticker, and then on the side you've got projection keyboard and it actually states type on the go with the projection keyboard. Interesting. Then around the sides you've got Android, iOS or Windows, so I'm assuming that means it must be compatible with pretty much any device you can think of. And then on the back here you've got, looks like some item description here. I'm not going to go through them all obviously, but let's see. The keyboard layout is a full-sized QWERTY keyboard, so that's pretty cool. And apparently the size of it is 250mm by 110mm, so 25 by 11 centimeters. It's quite big. And let's just see, recognition rate over 350 characters per minute. That's pretty good, you've got to admit, if that works, that's quite cool. So let's actually open this up, and here we're greeted straight away by a virtual keyboard user manual, and it's not in English. Oh yes it is, sorry, my apologies, it does come in English. And here it is, this is the laser keyboard device itself, and you know what? Straight away that actually feels quite nice, it's really compact, and it's got a bit of a matte black finish around the back and sides. And then on the front, yeah, it's just plastic, but it's a nice, shiny, glossy plastic. And it's really light. That is light. You can easily throw that in your bag, throw that in your pocket, if you are someone who really does need to type a lot on the go. Okay, so around the back and sides here, what we got here, it looks like some kind of speakers for some reason. I'm not too sure what yet. I'm sure we'll find out. And then on the right hand side you've got a on-off switch and then a mini USB port. So let's just see what else comes in the packaging. And it is a mini USB cable, which is pretty standard. So that is it, that's all the unboxing done. Let's move all this out of the way and let's have a little look at this actual device in action. Oh, got something. Whoa! And a noise as well. What is that? That is that noise. I'm hoping you can see this on the camera. Oh, that noise though. Why that noise? Right, so I've done a quick setup here. This is what we're going to be testing it out on. This is the Amazon Fire 7. If you want to see a quick review for this, by the way, there is one on my channel. For you out there, I'll put the links in the description. And do any of my viewers remember this? This is one of my first reviews. It was the Anytab 360 tablet holder. And it still works after all this time. So I'm going to be using these two items. Again, I'll put the review for the Anytab 360 in the description as well. So if you want to check that out, please feel free to do so. So as you can see what I've done now, I've turned off a few of the studio lights and I've dimmed this huge light in front of me here, so at least hopefully you'll be able to get a better perspective of this in action. And I'm just going to switch this on now and let's just see how quick and easy it is to connect via Bluetooth. It's already found it, that's pretty cool, and it was connected. So that was very quick indeed, I didn't even have to do anything pretty much. So as you can see now, I've got a document open, a blank one, I'm just going to start typing away. Let's see if it works. It does! We have success, but that noise seems to have returned again. Let's see if we can turn that off. FN and P. Thank God that noise is gone. Right then, I'm going to start typing away. No mocking of my typing skills. I will admit I'm not the fastest, and I don't even know what I'm going to write. I'm just going to start just channeling whatever comes from my brain into my hands here. Okay, so here we go. One day, I went for a walk and then decided to buy some ice cream. Okay, so not the best results so far. As you can see here, we've got one dork. Sunny Hen decided to buy, but there's no space, Slim X 140. Not going too well there. Okay, let's try it a bit slower. Maybe it was just me. Today, I went to the pet shop. No idea what I'm writing here. To buy an alligator for my hamster to play with. Don't know why I wrote that. However, it doesn't seem to be working again. I did it quite slow, as you saw. So today I went to the pet shop to buy an alligator for my hamster to play with. So it seems to be working there if I go a lot slower. Let's try another very, very slow. So I am not doing very well with this keyboard. It does work, but it doesn't work at the same time, which is a shame because the concept or the idea of this is quite cool. Imagine it, you're on your way to work, you're on your way to university, college, you name it, and suddenly you realise you've got something to do, you've got some writing, you slap this out, get your tablet or even phone set up, and you just start typing away on any surface. I mean, that would look pretty cool. And the device itself, you've got to admit, does look quite neat. It looks really techie, really futuristic. It would blow people away who were sitting next to you or nearby. And then you start typing, unfortunately, and the whole thing just fails. It really does. Such a shame, because I had quite a few, high hopes for this to work well. It would have been quite good, and it just isn't. It's just fading and fading bad. Well, unfortunately for this unboxing and demonstration of the laser projection keyboard, it hasn't been a very successful one. It pretty much failed very badly, but at least you got to see it in action. And of course, if you do still have any questions or comments, then please feel free to put them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you with the answer as quickly as possible. And not forgetting, of course, if you did enjoy this video, then please show your appreciation by giving it a wonderful thumbs up, and of course clicking that fantastic subscribe button. But until next time, thank you once again for watching, and I'll hopefully see you at some point very soon. Thank you.